In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Sheets. Start by opening the Google Sheet where you want the Notion data to appear. It's best to use a blank sheet or a fresh tab so your import has plenty of room. At the top, click Extensions, then Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type Coefficient, select it, and click Install. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the requested permissions. These allow Coefficient to read and write data in your sheet and securely connect to Notion on your behalf. Once installation finishes, open the add-on by going to Extensions and selecting Coefficient. A sidebar will appear on the right. In that sidebar, click Import From or open the menu. Go to Connected Sources and choose Add Connection. Select Notion. Then click Connect. The first time you do this, you'll be asked to authorize access. If you are already signed into Notion in your browser, you'll see a list of pages and databases. Choose the pages or databases that include the content you want to bring into Sheets, and confirm by clicking Allow Access. This lets Coefficient read those specific Notion databases without touching anything else. Back in the sidebar, choose from Tables and Columns. Pick your Notion database from the list. Then click Next to preview the data. The preview helps you confirm you've selected the right database and that the rows and columns look as expected. When everything looks good, click Import. Coefficient will load the data into your sheet and create headers that mirror your Notion properties. If you are importing into an existing tab, be sure your starting cell has space below and to the right so the data can fill in cleanly. After the import completes, set up how your data stays in sync. In the sidebar, choose an auto-refresh schedule hourly, daily, or weekly so updates from Notion flow into Sheets automatically. If you are not ready to automate it, select Manual Refresh for now. You can switch to a schedule anytime in the same sidebar. Keep in mind, changes you make in Notion will appear in Sheets after the next refresh you've configured. That's the full workflow. Thanks for watching.